Hey everyone, it is that dreaded fruit fly season. It's autumn, and with all of the vegetables and everything coming in fresh from the garden, along with it comes fruit flies. So I'm going to show you a quick, affordable, and easy solution to trap these fruit flies, and you most likely have all of this stuff in your house already. So I'm just going to give you some quick tips on how to conquer the fruit fly situation, and before you know it, I'll be showing you a jar full of fruit flies that I captured. Here's the basic ingredients. Apple cider vinegar. Fruit flies cannot resist the smell of fresh apple cider vinegar. And Dawn dish detergent. Find a vase or a jar or something that is not too tall with a narrow neck. And then we're just going to put, I'm sorry that for every video you hear screaming parrots in the background. I can't avoid it. So we're going to pour just enough in there. You don't need a whole lot. So you can see, I don't know, what's that, maybe a quarter cup? And then I'm just going to give it a few drops of Dawn. And basically what the soap does is it just causes this bubbling at the top. Give it a little swish and get a nice foam going, and the fruit flies get caught up in that foam. They go down into the neck of the little vase and they can't get out. So I'm just going to take a little piece of paper here that came in the mail from Anything Random. See, I'm going to create a little funnel. So it's best to use something that's firm and that will just sort of open up a little bit into the neck of the vase or whatever it is, the little vessel that you're going to use. And you want to send that tip of the paper down just enough that they can get down there. And like I said, once they get down there, they can't get out. So I'm going to, now you see there's nothing in there. In a few days, or even by the end of today, probably by the end of today, I will have some fruit flies in there that I'll come back and show you. Okay, so we caught a few fruit flies. So they just go in through the top of the funnel and down into the suds. Once they try to find their way down to the smell of the apple cider vinegar, which is just irresistible, they get caught up in the suds, and that's it. They'll find their way to the bottom, and within no time, you get to see that the bottom ends up being full of them. So you just have to switch it out every few days, but right now is the height of fruit fly season, you guys. So if you're having problems, just go ahead and do this. Apple cider vinegar, a shot of Dawn dish detergent, swish it around, put your funnel in, let it sit, and you will find magic.